大家好，欢迎你们到这里，欢迎你到 Learn Chinese Niger. Okay, so today we are continuing our 900 Chinese sentence charming, and the next one today for today is 36 questions, 36 sentences. So it goes like this: 这是谁的照片？这是谁的照片？这是 this is 谁的 whose 照片 is picture. So 这是谁的照片 means whose picture is this, or whose picture is this, or whose it is this in the picture. Whose picture is this? Then the second, the 37 is 她是谁？她是谁 which means who is she? This star is for she. So 她是谁? She is who is she? Then 38 is 这是我的女朋友小玉。这是我的女朋友小玉 which means this is my girlfriend 小玉。Then 39 真漂亮which means really beautiful. That is how beautiful. Jen is real. That R-E-A-L. 漂亮 is beautiful. So really beautiful. Then 40. 你多大了？你多大了？你多大了 means what? How old are you? How old are you? Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. 再见。